Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about Milagro Beauty. I just got this box and I have been seeing that their 4-in-1 pen is now trending a lot. So I ordered this one. This is an unsponsored video and I'll be using this pen in front of you. So let's try this one and let's see whether it really works or not. Actually, it's their sale going on and there was 1-on-1, so I got one more product. It is hydrating matte lipstick. It has different colors, and for this you will have to wait. Today we'll be talking about the 4-in-1 pen only, okay? By the way, for those of you who are new here, I'm NehaDevgan. I make product review videos and I test the products for you and I let you know whether it is worth investing or not, whether you should be buying it or not, okay? So this is what the pen looks like. It says 4-in-1 makeup pen, okay? And one is lip color blush, one is highlighter, one is eyeliner, and one is eyebrow, okay? So these are the 4 parts of this pen, and it is like the ball pen that we used to get, like all colors pen. So that's how we just push it and the other thing comes out, okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do half face of base and half face without base, and we'll be testing the highlighter without base as well, okay? So I'm taking my Ordinary's moisturizer. ये मेरी रेगुलर मॉइस्चराइज़र है, इसे मैं डेली लगाती हूँ, तो इसे मैं पूरे फेस पे ही लगाऊंगी. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, because these are all unsponsored videos that I'm doing for you. I'm not getting paid, and I'm buying these products on my own. Talking about the packaging, I can see the ingredients of everything written over here, directions for using it written over here, and then what exactly the product is all about, that is also written over here. So I like that the product is cruelty free, paraben free, toxin free, and it's vegan. Also it says guilt free. So let's just try it. I've applied my moisturizer. Now let's just go ahead with eyebrows first. This is the brown thing is for the eyebrow. It is like dark brown kind of shade. It is for the Indian eyebrows and it has to be something like in dark brown tone. Let's just try this thing. Okay, let's just try this one. This one is tougher. Little by little hair draw karungi in the front part of the brow. थोड़ा सा ब्राउज को ब्रश कर लेंगे. दिस इज़ अ डिस्पोजेबल स्पूली. द ट्विस्टिंग इज़ फॉर द प्रोडक्ट टू कम आउट. नाउ कैन यू सी the color payoff is nice, and this looks pretty much natural to me regarding the color part, and I feel it is good for everyday use as well. So I've quickly completed my base with Maybelline concealer, and this is no base side and this is base side. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the highlighter part. This is the highlighter part for the white one. Now let's just swatch it a little. The highlighter shade is somewhat like champagne gold kind of color. Let's just apply it. It's like everyday shine. जब आपको डेली में तैयार होना हो, कोई पार्टी में जाना हो, कोई बेसिक रेडी होना हो, तो उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. What kind of person you are. Now it depends. आपको छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में जो शाइन दिखती है उस तरीके का हाइलाइटर पसंद है, तो इसमें वो छोटे छोटे से पार्टिकल्स हैं, बहुत बड़े पार्टिकल्स नहीं हैं. और यू आर द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसको सिर्फ शाइन पसंद है बट पार्टिकल्स ना दिखें, इस तरीके का प्रोडक्ट पसंद है, तो वो अलग बात है. तो मैं इसे कहूँगी कि ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन है हाइलाइटर, जो सॉफ्ट हाइलाइटर्स होते हैं उसका, और छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स जो शाइन करते हैं उन हाइलाइटर्स का, विच इज़ नॉट बैड. लाइक not bad at all. Now this is my without base side and this is base side. So do I like this product? Yes, I like this product, and it is very handy, it is very lightweight. In terms of highlighter I'm talking about right now. And what I don't like in this product is the color is little light. I feel for my melanin queens who has deeper complexions, warmer complexions, I feel that this can look a little light on them and it won't look that great. This is like the kind of color that Becca Champagne Pop had, okay? And for those who only like shine but doesn't want the particles to come through, उनके लिए ये प्रोडक्ट शायद थोड़ा सा कम पसंद करें वो लोग, क्योंकि इसमें थोड़े थोड़े से पार्टिकल्स दिखते हैं बट वो थोड़ा सेटल भी हो जाते हैं, तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है ये. आप अपने बेस के नीचे भी लगा सकते हो इसे, मे बी इट विल लुक मच बेटर. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू eyeliner part. Eyeliner color is black. Okay, let's just apply it. Let's just smudge it a little. I want to try this eyeliner as this is smudge proof or not. Okay, so if you are going to rub the eye, this is gonna look like this. Otherwise it will stay like that. So for people जिनको eyeliner लगाने से थोड़ा सा पानी आता है आँखों में, या ड्यूरिंग द डे हम कभी कभी अपनी आईज रब भी करते हैं, they have to be a little cautious about the fact that if you are going to rub your eye, this will move along. Okay, eyeliner या mascara लगाया हो and then if we rub the eye, it goes here and there. So we need to make sure that either we don't do it or our product doesn't move. So for the eyeliner part, I would say, do I like it? Yes, I like how we can easily apply this product. And what I don't like in this product is I can't really say that it's waterproof because it does budges. Let's just try the lip color blush and let's see whether this works out or not. I have lip balm on my lips. Let's just remove it first. Okay, so the lip color blush is a peach colored one. Okay, lip color is a little tough to apply because considering that it's so thin, it will take some time for you to apply the lip color. Okay. The color, I don't know what color is this. This is like mauve or peach or pink. I don't know what color is this. I'm not able to decide the color. But it's drying and it's a little tough to apply. I would say अगर आपको ये apply करना है तो इसके ऊपर या तो आप gloss apply कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैंने lip balm लगाया हुआ था and still my lips are dry and this is making them feel more drier. So I feel जितना ज़्यादा dry लगेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपके cracks दिखेंगे. तो या तो आप इसके ऊपर lip gloss लगाओ or maybe try something else. If you'll ask me about the reviews of this pen, I would say सिर्फ eyebrows के लिए मुझे समझ में आया, eyeliner के लिए पता नहीं, highlighter के लिए भी मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने Amazon पे इसे देखा था. आई थिंक ये 800 से 900 की रेंज में था और मैंने इसे मंगाया है 1200 प्लस में, जो कि 1-on-1 था. बट फिर भी अगर मैं 1-on-1 प्रोडक्ट खरीद रही हूँ या विदाउट एनी ऑफ़र मैं इसे 900-800 का खरीद रही हूँ, तो 800 के लिए वर्थ स्पेंडिंग ऑन दिस पेन नहीं, मैं मना करूँगी. क्योंकि हो सकता है कि अगर मैं कुछ खरीदने जाऊँ तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैं 1000 या 1100 रुपये की चीज़ खरीद लूँ और पैन वाले हाइलाइटर और लिक्विड आईलाइनर और एक लिपस्टिक खरीद लूँ बजाय कि ये पेन खरीदने के. तो आई एम रियली सॉरी बट नॉट वेरी इम्प्रेसिव. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. This is NehaDevgan. If you have further questions, please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel. मेरी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है किसी को ऑफेंड करने की या किसी को भी ये प्रोडक्ट पसंद आया हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट जो मेरी ओपिनियन है मैं इस वीडियो में वो बताना चाहती थी. दिस डिडंट वर्क आउट फॉर मी. I shall see you tomorrow. Please watch another video for this hydrating matte lipstick Quad 2.0. Okay, bye.